G'day everybody. Just on a trade here that I've been waiting for all day. At the end of the day here, coming into the close, I had a scattered trade here. So I had three lots of 50. Please don't use these lot sizes. I'm using a special account that has put in a profit of 1317. And now these other ones, I'm waiting for them to close here. I'm holding on because I can see that there is a push towards a median happening. And I'm just going to close that first one there for 1,000. So basically how this trade worked was that I had, I'll put the trades in now. That one sitting there, and then this one sitting here. Okay, so I had this scattered entry where I'd lay it in. Waiting for price to move up into what was the upper bands. I just did come back home now, so I saw this happening on the screen when I just got back from having a cacao. But right now we can see this third trade's about to close, and I'm going to hold just a little bit longer and just let it work this profit target here, because it would have happened if I had left the screen anyway. Sorry, I'm just recording this like live as I jumped back on the screen when I got home. What I could, just being patient here and just letting it push. I do have the urge to close it. However, it is pushing down right now. So I've got 2, 3, 3, 4 for today. I'm going to give it another second. I'm closing it. Okay, look, that's me done. So 2769 with these three trades here. Okay. Again, my lot sizing is set up for something that I'm working on at the moment. What you could have done is put in 10 lots. You could have split the 10 lots. Sorry, I had to attend to a call then. See how I just closed those trades there because it was holding at this level. What was happening? It was holding at this small level here of supply that had become demand. Okay, if we zoom in, you can see that it bounced off that area perfectly. Will it still come down here? Probably, but the fact that I caught this trade live, it was, again, just take profit when you've got profit. Very strong area of supply here, supply, and then push through supply to become demand. If I'd left these trades on, you could see that, we would be back out of the money at the moment. But just a nice little a trade here. Look, to be honest, I had left these trades on and I had set them here. So I'd set them. If we go to our trading view, this was this morning. You could see that I set these trades at this area of supply to the left here. If you watch today's analysis, and I moved that they were set like this. Okay, so this is where the trades were. They actually were a bit higher. I set one. I ended up rejigging the trades to set them above supply here in the liquidity zone, above the order block, where price has like gone licked, grabbed liquidity, and then shot back down. And so what happened is I actually captured, this sort of, this layer in of trades, kind of like this, which I'd set earlier in the day. When I set them here. So it was actually above the upper bands initially. When price was here, if you go back and look at today's analysis, you would have seen the trades being set around 10:30 a.m. and it was above the upper bands, but we could see that the trend was going to the upside today. So I just put them in a safe spot above the area of previous supply here, and come back to the screens just before the end of day and seen them triggered and activated. And that's what you're seeing right now. You can see the arrows of where I layered these position sizes in just to try and capture a better average price. And, come back onto the screens when the trades happen to be open. That was by chance. 2 of them would have closed. This third one would have probably been in negative now. Having said that, it will come down and still close. So I'm not worried about that last trade actually closing eventually, especially as we're coming into the close here. Price would eventually have dropped back to the median during the Asian session, and we would have got that profit. It's just taking profit when you see it. So That's 13th of January, our trades, which took place here. I waited all day for them. They were set at the open, and we saw that we had this area of supply that did not break through until the last minute, and we've captured that profit just by being patient and waiting all day. If you had 10 or 20 lots on for these trades, you would have made some decent cash on that. I will explain to you about how we're going to be handling trades moving forward, our trading accounts moving forward on Monday, possibly before then, and explain to you how we're going to be managing our larger trading accounts. I want to get you guys on a $500,000 account to train on, so that you're not worrying too much about your risk reward and more so about just like good trade placement. So we can see here right now, like these trades, if this bottom one hadn't have closed, even though it's back up here, like we would have broken even on an exit, and as I said, price will fall back down here to the median. So nice day today. I'm going to save that. Make sure you are saving your daily results. To do that, take a right click here, save as detailed report. Okay, and then what I'm doing is just putting them into a record here. So 1301, 23, 26. This is my record for a larger account that I'm trading on right now. And then I just put in the date that I'm trading, that the trade was Friday 13th, 01/23, and that's day 6. Okay, I save that. That saves my single-handed daily result. And then what I do is also save the total. So I go save as detailed report, and then in the same thing, I go here, I go custom period, and then I go here and I click on all history. Okay, that gives me everything so far. Okay, 23,000 here. It's a nice little profit here on this large account that I've been cooking through every single day. You can see like the full, all the profits that are taken, all the losses that are taken. Right click, save as detailed report. Friday day 6, and I'm just going to go Friday at that thing and total. Okay, and then that gives you a total of what you've been doing, your total risk reward, everything up to them. That's how I want you to be taking control of your results and putting a nice P&L here. And we can see what you see down here is our gross profit, our gross loss, total net profit, profit factor, how much we're winning, of the total trades of 36, how much we're winning, how much we're losing. All your metrics are here, your equity curve, everything. And then what I do after that is I take the results from today. Okay, so if I just go back to today, take our results from today, 2,769, and I just plug that into my Excel spreadsheet here, which is our daily P&L. So for day trading day 6, Jan, Friday, 13th, okay, and we took 3 trades, 3 wins, nice clean trading. Yeah, three wins, no losses, and I just need to put in 0 losses. And then what happened this morning, it was UOM, and we had bullish, okay, and the P&L today was 2769. So P&L was 2769, put that in there, total, drag it out. That gets reflected here on our daily P&L, okay, our cumulative. We get to see how we're doing every single day. All right, speak to me about this if you haven't got the spreadsheet for this, but I'm working on the chapters at the moment. I'm getting more chapters out, and yeah, really excited to have everyone on board, and have a great day. Cheers.